Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode, your one-stop channel to master Flutter development. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we are diving into one of the most commonly used and powerful widget in Flutter, the container. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use all of its key properties to build beautiful UIs. Let's get started. The container widget is like a box. You can customize its size, padding, margin, color, alignment, decoration, and more. It's often used as a building block for UI elements. Let's look at the simple example. The width and height properties define the size of the container. If you don't set them, the container size itself based on its child. The color gives background color to the container. It only works if you haven't used the decoration property, which we will cover next. The child property is where you place the content of your container. It could be a text, icon, or even any widget. In this example, I use text as a child, and you can see the output text is shown inside the container. If you want to control the alignment of the child, you can use alignment property. Alignment property controls where the child widget is positioned within the container. Like in this example, I use alignment.center and you can see the output. Text is centered. You can use margin and padding property to add space. But the main difference between margin and padding, margin creates space outside the container. Think of it as pushing the container away from the surrounding widget. And padding adds space inside the container around its child. It's like adding internal space so the content doesn't touch the edges. The most important property is decoration. Decoration is a powerful property that lets you customize the container background, border, radius, shadow, and more using box decoration. This is how you add rounded corner, shadow, or even gradient. In this example, I use color property. Whenever you use decoration, you must use decoration color instead of using this color, otherwise you get an error. I use border radius and also use box shadow to give the shadow to the container. You can use gradient property to give the gradient to the container. I use linear gradient and give two colors dot red and colors dot green. You can see the output. So that's the container widget, a simple but powerful layout tool in Flutter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DevCode for more Flutter tutorials. Also comment below which widget should we cover next. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.